Honda has unveiled a refreshed version of its flagship tourer, the GL1800 Goldwing, marking its 50th anniversary with a series of subtle yet significant updates. Both the standard and tour models have received improvements, including 2 new paint schemes inspired by past Goldwing editions. One of the standout features is a new color combination of eternal gold and mahogany brown, paying homage to the 1988 GL1500 variant. The anniversary edition also boasts exclusive badging to commemorate the milestone. To ensure the 124.7 brake horsepower flat-6 engine complies with the updated Euro 5+ emissions regulations, Honda has added an extra O2 sensor and fine-tuned the ECU settings. Riders can choose between manual or semi-automatic DCT transmission options. In addition to the visual upgrades, the anniversary models feature several technological enhancements. A special Goldwing emblem appears on the key and the 7-inch TFT display, both of which sport a 50th anniversary logo and since 1975 inscription. The audio system has also been improved, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now supported. A new speaker setup ensures better sound clarity, even at high speeds. Riders will also appreciate the new ducking feature, which automatically reduces the background music volume during conversations via the communication system. To further enhance convenience, both the standard and tour variants now include 2 USB-C charging ports, making it easier to charge smartphones on the go. These updates make the 2025 Honda Goldwing an even more enticing option for long-distance riders, blending cutting-edge technology with a rich legacy that spans 5 decades.